people's Fourth Amendment.
Sir, you're going to take orders from me. Excuse me. Send me a third unit, please. This is really tight. Can you loosen this fucking cup? Can you loosen it?
Wow.
Sir, I'll loosen it up in a minute.
Jesus Christ, you're pulling on
I need to see your identification
me.
card.
Bitch, you're pulling on me.
Keep this focused on. Keep this focused
My
on.
wrist is being cut. Ow, fuck. Ah, God. Jesus fucking Christ, man. Ow. Ah, God, ow, fuck. You're doing it. Ow. What the hell are you doing, man? Torturing me like that. Who the hell you are?
Take him into custody.
Well, you don't identify yourself, bro. You're getting sued. You're getting sued. I ain't going nowhere. You don't have no dragons. You touch me. You're going to lose your qualified immunity right now. What the fuck are you doing, man?
Back up. Put your hands
Quit
behind you.
yanking on me.
Allow
You're fucking hurt my goddamn
I
wrist.
have you in custody.
You don't have to fucking hold me like this. Yank me around. That I committed. You son of a bitch. Articulated crime that I committed.
There you go, guys. Fremont
What
Police.
What business? We didn't obstruct anything. I have an injured shoulder.
Identify yourself.
I have a what? We didn't commit a crime. We don't have to identify. I have a combat injury on my shoulder. Damn it, you're fucking lifting me up. We didn't commit a crime. I have a claim of
Yes, you did. It's called obstruction.
You're illegally detaining me. You're breaking the law right now.
Now, I want you to notice that the Americans from the bank who were recording everything and everybody on the street in all directions are laughing at the fact that Americans recording on those streets were being cuffed and tortured for doing the same thing their bank was doing. This is a big part of what's wrong with America. Now more Fremont police troops are going to swoop in and treat this like it was some kind of bank robbery.
Freedom just pulled up here and I'm right here. Come on.
These two need to identify themselves. They're filming. I told them to stop. They continue to walk away. I told them to stop again. I told them to identify themselves. They film in the bank.
From public. Therefore, we haven't committed any crimes.
I've asked them to identify themselves because the bank said these are the guys that we have.
At least this man knows what he's talking about. They're doing
So
great.
identify yourself. They're refusing.
We're just recording like they are
On
out here.
public sidewalk.
I asked these guys who were also recording to identify themselves.
So what's the bank? Why did the bank call? Just because they're recording the building?
Correct. So I come around the corner, pointing them out. Since they're out here recording, I told them to stop. Guys, come here. Identify yourself.
But you know they're allowed to record in public place.
Yes, but
You know,
Therefore, you violated their Fourth Amendment. You need to release them right away.
we're going to deal with them.
okay. Deal.
You guys are free to go.
Thank you, sir. Can I get your name and badge number, sir?
Yes, Captain Conger, 662.
Thank you for knowing our rights and
Yes,
respecting
thank
them.
you. I don't know what the situation is with them, but we'll figure it out.
All right.
Okay?
What did you do? Lie to them and tell them we were doing something illegal?
Well, we have cameras.
What's your name and badge number?
Sergeant Jason King, badge number 665.
Learn the law, dummy.
Sergeant, and he doesn't know what.
Hey, you're supposed to be releasing them. The captain said so.
I agree with what you're saying. I don't give you the police.
I'm just telling you. Oh, now you're violating his Fourth Amendment more. You might want to check with the captain before you go putting your fucking hands in his pockets.
How long did that? This is why police don't
The
have.
captain already said release. Why don't you get on your radio and make sure? See, he's being released. Get him back out of that goddamn car. letting Lemmy go now. Got six cop cars here. Freaking crazy. What's your name and badge number, sir? Thank you.
This is why they lose respect.
Why are they putting them back in the cars? What the hell? Why are they still in the cars? What's that?
Pick up your buddy's cameras right there.
Sure.
I don't want to see those get.
Why are they still in the cars, though? Sir? You think because you tell somebody something that it's lawful? You're incorrect if there's no crime.
Awesome.
Smile for your camera.
Illegally arrested by a tyrant sergeant for filming in public here in Fremont, Ohio. Fremont, Ohio Police Department. Give them a call. Go live.
I am live.
Awesome. Hey, guys, give the Fremont Police Department a call. Let them know that they're arresting people on public sidewalks for recording. And
That's
saying
Lemmy
it's
AUDIT.
obstruction because they want to illegally detain us and take our IDs when we don't have to identify. Violation of the Fourth Amendment. Violation of the First Amendment.
Yeah.
Put me, cops, fucking torture me.
Yeah, this is ridiculous. The captain originally said to release you guys, so I don't know what's going on now. Oh, I think they stopped your recording. It's not counting down. They stopped it. Yeah, they stopped his recording. That's a First Amendment violation, too. But they could open the window all the way so you can get some air. What do you think, officer? Could you please do that? Open the window up some more so he's getting more air. He's getting really hot in there. Thank you, sir. Much appreciated.
Do you see the sweat dripping off?
Did they call the whole damn department out here?
I just came down here. I didn't know if they needed assistance transporting anybody.
No, they need to be releasing everybody.
Like, I'm not a part of this call. I just didn't know how to
Now, the cops, realizing they made an error and violated the rights of Americans who are exercising their rights on American soil, released their victims.
Maybe the phone calls did the trick.
You want an explanation or are you good? Of what? You guys violate your rights. You guys being a piece of shit tyrant. Don't need any explanation. I know what the fuck's going on. We're free to go. My name's Captain Conger. Captain, guess what? Sure. Incident numbers. Yep. I want badge numbers for every piece of shit officer here. Okay. And I'm going to be getting all your body cams, all your dash cams, your fucking everything about you.
Don't cuss, please.
Excuse me. Who's the complainant? You can't be the complainant. You want to go down that route? You're going to go after my First Amendment violation again?
You guys are free to go.
I'm free to stay.
We're free to stay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, tyrant. Kitty. 665. That's the biggest piece of crap right here. Right there, yeah. You're live on YouTube, you piece of shit.